Are you a coach developer, coach educator, tutor, mentor, assessor, teacher, and you need to collate evidence from discussions with a learner or groups of learners to make assessment decisions? Are you using AI to help you with this? If not, I've made this short video to show you how I use AI to speed up this process and to make more effective and robust decisions. Firstly, make sure you transcribe every discussion. I meet with learners in groups and individually on courses I deliver, and by transcribing our conversations, I can listen more attentively and respond to learner discussions rather than trying to write quick or ineffective notes. I therefore hold all of my meetings in Microsoft Teams and use the transcribe button to help me with this. What I can do next is the magical bit. With good prompting, Chat GPT will be able to organize, summarize, and prioritize learner discussions into notes. So with this prompt, we can see that I've given Chat GPT the context of who they are. So they are a tutor on a coaching course. I have given the names of the coaches, and I have set the 6 assessment criteria that I would like Chat GPT to organize notes into for me for each coach. I can now copy and paste the transcript from the meeting into Chat GPT and let it work its magic. So we will see as Chat GPT is working, it will start to organize notes for each learner into the relevant criteria. And if they haven't discussed that criteria, as I have stated, it will give it an NA. And if they have discussed that criteria, it will give me examples from their discussions of where they've discussed each piece. If we want Chat GPT to expand, we can do that in the message. So we can set it a task to expand each criteria piece. And if we want it to be more precise or to summarize, again, we can set it a task to do that, and it will condense, précis, or summarize the notes further for us. So what are the benefits of doing this for me? Well, first of all, it saves me time. More importantly, it allows me to engage in conversations with coaches and write less notes whilst I'm talking to them, but also it removes the bias that I might attach to discussion points, and also reduces the bureaucratic load on me. So I can copy and paste these across to assessment frameworks, and then I can tweak or add information from there rather than writing the fundamentals or the basics. Now, if we do want ChatGPT to help us further, for example, here we might want an expansion on coach behavior. Through a simple prompt, we will see that ChatGPT can further expand from the discussion, from the transcript based on this coach and this assessment criteria. If you work with learners in practice, you can also use AI efficiently and effectively. So when I work with learners, I will use voice memos, and with that voice memo recording in Microsoft Word, we can click on dictate, click on transcribe, upload audio, and we will see a transcription of the audio will appear here for us. With a good prompt, you will be able to copy and paste the transcript into ChatGPT and ask it to organize notes into assessment criteria or strengths and areas for improvement, and an action plan that you will be able to look at, tweak and add to provide efficient and robust feedback to the learner. For example, here we will see 4 strengths with some explanation for each one, and 4 areas for improvement with some explanation for each one, which have come from my notes, which come from my voice memo, and then I will be able to read them, tweak them, add any points to them, rather than creating all of them from scratch. Is there anything else you'd like to consider using AI for? Let me know in the comments if so, and I'll give it a go. You can also find ways to follow me in the description. Please subscribe, and you can find more walkthroughs on my website, also found within the description.